yini wathi kunesenza becashi lana ye Officer Polony lo shonile
Understand lana wena kahle uthi kwenteke yena awuchaze mnumzana awuchaze
hayi phela babe wasoyathula nje ngasuthokhwe ngegesi phela lapha ngithi yo report lapha awusichazele kwendekeni la
okay
usabheka phansi phela ukhuluma nathi wathi ucathulo ngeke ngakufuni phela mina nasebenza uthi kwentekeni la
okay kahle kahle bezidlala emakhadi
man ba awukhulume kahle khuluma kahle
unondo
thina bezidlala emakhadi ubusukubonga sadlala
hayibo
adlala
mani nidlala emakhadi nebusuku bonke
yes ubusukubonga
emakhadi nje
ukodi
bisala Gedlembane
waphila amakhadi yena
bisala ndawubhala Gedlembane
awubhale ngicela ubhale phansi le statement la uthi benidlala emakhadi ebusuku bonke angithi
yes
wadlala nabani
na girlfriend wami
hoy wena
girlfriend wami lo
yini wathi nalethi incwadi la girlfriend lo mosuwathi indvodza le
akusinvotha le
hayibo manje lana kwentekeni lokuthi le tandla tibeka so
antaba umazidlala dlala emakhadi mangibona ngathi uyangihlula ngiyamkhunga nami mangibona ngathi sisahlulana sakhungana
okay ke yini ke bese sayenda ukuthi wena bese uyasona emva lokudlala kwenu
khayimfisha phela washoba emakhadi washoba abona bafletu pass
mes uyabhala lapha ngicophala lapha lamakhadi
awuthi
wala makhadi
abona mina sengithini yona into le kude makhadi ngidlala engaphi ama rounds
ma rounds ala makhadi
sidlala ma round ala makhadi
okay Shamakazi benijabulisa
nihlebelana ini nina
hey ngabudithini ukuthi
girlfriend yami le
benidlala emakhadi
besidlala emakhadi
uyabona indvodza le ubona indvodza le
shit man uyayibona ngiyathi kobi la lapha ngathi lobulili bunye bekujajuliswana manje
wena
gaming
okay wena okay
Gaming. Police pass.
Gaming.
Bhala kusho ku gay plus in short. Wait.
Putting gaming.
Yathi ngisukulela ngaqala ngibona office ngiyaqala ukuthola icase ubothekela la case nje.
Ukona gaming.
awuna le njena ngiyaqala ukuthi ngiyayigcina
Ngiyaqabuka. Siyabuya kusafuna kuhleka la nephandle siyabuya. Sosibe nakumuntu. Wangabona lo sophefumula kalukhuni.
emakhadi
Yeyi wena.
yini la makhadi abekadlala lapha yini la makhadi abekadlala lapha
Wathi nami ngisedibuta kona mina ukuthi kansi kahle bekwentekani kahle.
indvodza ile embhedzeni indvodza kuthiwa my girlfriend konjani indvodza kuthiwa my girlfriend hayi kahle indvodza
Phela ngilapha khona ngafikela khona ngilomcabango lokuthi hayi man yini wathi basishaya ngemfiphinziwe phela ngoba lo moya
Detective.
phela
yes sir
yes.
Have a seat.
yes sir
It's not yes, sir. It's yes, sir. Aknak Pruuuu.
yes sir Sergeant Aknak Pruuuu.
Have a seat.
Yes, Mr. Aknak.
All right. There's something wrong with your case.
Oh, Mr. Aknak. No. I solved it in a very good manner. What's the problem?
You don't know what's the problem with the case.
Oh, yes. I now realize the problem. The problem is that that gentleman is a gay.
I did not call you for that. First of all, I don't think you should be laughing at that matter. That's not what I think was wrong with the case.
I'm sorry, Mr. Aknak. I didn't remember that you are also a gay.
I don't care what you think of me. Just don't call that guy, don't laugh at that guy because you don't know if he's mentally disturbed or something.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Now, Officer Polony, I expected you to be serious and teach him.
No, sir. Don't even go there. Don't even go there.
I expected you to teach him the
Don't go
case.
there, sir. You see this one, Gedlembane. You see Gedlembane?
No, I'm not getting bad.
Yes, you don't call him Gedlembane. It's Detective Gedlembane. You don't even respect him. Call him Detective Gedlembane.
Exactly, sir.
I expected you to respect him and teach him how to solve the case.
Exactly! How many times am I going to tell you one and the same thing? Respect the detective.
I respect
the work. Respect the darkness.
I respect the detective. But then when we're in the field, he always tells me I don't have a power. You see, he's bigger than me. He's not bigger than me.
We don't have to debate about this thing.
The thing is, he is black. You see me, he is black. He's totally different from me. That's why he overpowers me.
That's another story.
Okay, I don't want to hear it.
Another story for another day.
I don't want to hear it, please. I don't want to hear it.
But this one is bullying me.
You're just an office.
I don't want to hear it.
Yes.
Now, I did not call you here because of that. You're arguing so much. First of all, the thing that was wrong with the case, they were not playing cards. They were having sex. I don't know how you mean
Chelile! Chelile! I told this one.
Yes. I thought maybe they were playing cards. They're really playing cards.
No, they were having sex. I don't know how you can miss it. They were having
It's a
sex.
manner that they put it here.
Yes. 4 rounds, 2 rounds, 4 rounds. We didn't even understand.
Now, hold on. Another thing is I looked at the body.
Okay.
And I saw that he had marks on the neck, the dead guy. And I'm sure because they were doing it the whole night, he might have choked the boyfriend, or should I say the girlfriend. But,
you are an expert in this thing, okay, my thing.
Because how they
detective,
played.
I don't appreciate that.
I'm sorry.
You're saying I'm an expert in things of gay. I'm just saying what I looked at the case and I saw.
I'm sorry. Yes, sorry.
Now, when I look at this case, that's it.
Yes.
I think what we need to do now is we need to find him and arrest him.
Okay.
The Batman?
Yeah.
When?
So I had someone draw how it looks like. So we need to find him and
You look
arrest
like a young calf.
him. Yeah. So, yeah. And
I will easily identify this young thing.
okay, so we go arrest him, find him and arrest him. But before we go, I want to just give you a paycheck.
Oh yes, I think I'm familiar with this guy. This one.
Here's your paycheck.
Always drinking stout around.
Sorry, no, I'll just give you this one.
Thank you, Mr. Aknak. It's my first payment. This one.
Yeah. Okay, so
nice meeting you. No, I will.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, you are dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Aknak.
Thank you, Mr. Aknak Pruuuu.
Thank you, Mr. Aknak. You are always a nice gentleman to me.
Hold on.
I wish you
Hold on.
long life.
Detective, come back.
What's the problem?
Come back. Also, you come back. Come back. You don't do it here. Sergeant Aknak is Sergeant Aknak Pruuuu here. You must vibrate.
Just like in Kwela, okay. Oh yes,
Yeah.
let's try it.
Aknak
Mr. Aknak Pruuuu.
Exactly.
It's like you are whistling. Yes, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. That's what Sabla stout.